How do I convert all-purpose flour to bread flour in a recipe?
Hello, and welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today we're diving into an important baking topic: how to convert all-purpose flour to bread flour in a recipe. Whether you've run out of bread flour or just curious about this conversion, this guide will help you master the art of flour substitution.
Understanding the difference.
Firstly, let's understand the basic difference between all-purpose flour and bread flour. All-purpose flour, as the name suggests, is versatile and can be used in a wide range of baking recipes. It typically has a protein content around 10 to 12%, making it a middle ground option in terms of gluten development. On the other hand, bread flour is designed for yeast breads. It has a higher protein content, around 12 to 14%, which helps create more gluten, resulting in a chewier texture, ideal for bread recipes.
The conversion ratio.
So, you need bread flour for a recipe, but all you have is all-purpose flour. No worries. Here's how to make the conversion. The rule of thumb is that you can replace bread flour with all-purpose flour on a 1-to-1 basis. This means that if your recipe calls for 1 cup of bread flour, you can replace it with 1 cup of all-purpose flour.
Adjusting for protein content.
While you can substitute on a 1-to-1 basis, the protein content difference might affect the texture of your final product. If you want to get closer to the higher protein content of bread flour, you can make a homemade version using all-purpose flour and vital wheat gluten, a high-protein additive available at many grocery stores. Here's how. 1. For every cup of all-purpose flour, remove 1.5 teaspoons. 2. Add 1.5 teaspoons of vital wheat gluten to make up the difference. This will increase the protein content of your all-purpose flour, mimicking the protein structure found in bread flour. And there you have it. Now you know how to convert all-purpose flour to bread flour in a recipe. Remember, the perfect bread isn't just about the ingredients, it's also about the love and care you put into it. So, don't worry if you can't follow the recipe exactly as it is. Embrace the process, and happy baking!